Welcome again to ragarkul.com. Imagine it's a typical busy day at the office. You are juggling multiple tasks, responding to emails, and updating project status. In midst of all this, you accidentally deleted crucial issues in Jira. Panic sets in as you remember the task warning. Once an issue is deleted in Jira, it's gone forever. Your heart races as you realize the potential fallout from this mistake. But this can be happen in several other ways. Like if you will, disaster happens and some of your issues are not listing. Remember in April 2024, there was some of the issues are not showing because of the Jira or Atlassian platform issues. In that scenario also, this is going to be mess for you. So in this case, we'll show you how you can easily achieve or save your lot of information. In this case, worry not. Wait, what if there was a way to undo this error? What if you could bring that deleted issues back, saving your projects and possibly even your jobs? In today's video, we are going to explore an incredible solution that makes this possible. Diving into the Revyz Data Manager for Jira plugin, a powerful tool that allows us to turn back time and recover those seemingly lost issues. If you have ever faced these situations or want to be prepared just in case, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, drop a like, and check out the links below for a free 30 days trial of this amazing plugin. Let's get started. Now here, to install this add-on, you can easily navigate it to manage your apps, and from here, you can add or search find new apps. From find new app sections, you can see just type Revyz and you will see plenty of add-ons available from Revyz side. I've already added it in my instance, so I don't have to add it again. I will go back to my projects and let's see how the mistakes can happen. I'm having issues or tasks or user story listed in my projects. What if I accidentally deleted these issues? Now you can see my issues are gone. In this scenario, Revyz will help me to revert it back. How we can do it? Let's see. Go to site insights. From here, you can see plenty of the sites, configuration dependencies, issue history. In this issue history, you can see our issues. Just now I deleted this issues AS1 and the project name is this. Now, if I want to revert it back, I'll just click on restore. It will start the jobs and from here you can see this is added under queue. Here, if you want to refresh this page, just use refresh and this will show up the status. Apart of that, you can also see dashboards where you have the detailed dashboards available, how much percentage we have reverted so far. Now, under the job sections, you can keep checking the restore options. Here, you will get still it's in queued. Now, to perform these options, we have to make sure that backup should be in place. If there's a no backup, we don't guarantee you. Reason behind it, Jira is not taking responsibility of storing all of your informations. If anything is lost or deleted from an instance, Jira is not going to take this responsibility, or even if we have a backup that is not streamlined. In this case, Revyz will helping us to restore all those informations, and whenever any disaster happens or any problems occurred inside instance, we can save it or we can restore it. That's a good part of this plugin where we can recall whatever informations we have lost. Now, under the clone and restore sections, you can just go to the jobs and from here, you can keep checking it. Now, if you want to download the logs, just open this and you can see Jira issue is reverted. Here you can also see the logs are available. Each and every sections you can see issue restored, job started. All those informations are listed here. Initially the custom field ID was 1005210039. and all those. If you want to see more stats, you can just click on more and you'll have this. Even if you want to download the CSV or PDF formats, you can easily do that. In just a fraction of seconds, you can get all those informations which is rewarded back. Next is post actions. You can also see download GQL sections for job details here. Whenever I want, I will also download in CSV format. And this chip information is showing about my issues. So here you can see original ID. This is my original key, that is AS1. Now the newly generated key is AS21. This is helping me from mapping point of view. So whatever issues it is rewarded, it is not going to take place the original key, because that was already used. That's the reason it will generate new key, but the data is exactly same. Here, user field is selected as true and the status is success. Now, if I will go back to my project and see this information is available or not, I have to just refresh this page, and from here, I will be able to see this data is available. Here I can see Amazon cart. This is the Amazon cart screen, and whatever informations we had initially, all those informations are added successfully. This is a one example where we have restored and saved our life. Similar way, you can also use granular restore, where if you don't want to restore each and everything from the issues, you can also use granular restore, where you can set some fields to be restored. Let's consider our attachment is deleted. We can restore the attachments. If or any of those informations which is part of that attachments or which is a part of that issues, we can also revert it. Here in the granular restore, either you can create a new copy or revert existing issues. Similar way, you can achieve it. So in this case, you have to add your snapshots. For backup, always make sure to select the latest one. Reason behind it, if you are reverting from the old one, probably some of the data are not available. Here you can see snapshot of your backup. Select your projects in project, which projects you want. Issue types, whichever issue types you can select, you can just enter this issue types and click restore preview. It will start generating the preview, and from here, based on the informations or based on data, whatever fields you want to revert it or whatever data you want to revert it, you can just select it and click on revert issues. The informations which we have updated is will revert. Let's consider we have deleted some parents or some child issues which we want it back. In that case, this will always be helpful for us. Even we can reset selections, download it, and several filters are available, which is making our life easier in terms of revise, clone, or restore and backup. Now, when I will go back to this issues, even in the history sections, you can see this is showing like revise, backup, and restore updated as a story pointers 4 minutes ago, and initially it was to do, then it is created at to do. This is the way where we can restore or get restored all of the informations which we have lost accidentally. Sometimes it could happen if employees are frustrated and they have deleted these issues intentionally, then also our administrator can reward those issues. Thus, there are several instances you will find it out, like employee frustrations if they want to keep or delete any informations from the projects, that also can be reverted. Any disaster happen while working in the projects, that could be also possible. Let's consider our servers crashed. In that scenario, we can also restore or save if we have the backup available. But for that, you have to always rely on Dr. Revyz, where Revyz can create, backup, and restore all of your issues. Hopefully, this video is going to save someone's job from getting fired or critical tasks which we have prepared for our project. Every once in a while, you might end up deleting an issues that is very mission critical, and unless you have a backup solutions like this, Jira Cloud will say, sorry, it's tough luck. Or sorry, it's bad luck, but not for you because you watched this video, took the advice, and installed Revyz backup solutions or Revyz Data Manager for Jira. You'll always have a way to cover yourself and save the day with restorations. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to drop a like. If you made it this far and haven't subscribed to the channel, smash that subscribe button right now. Don't forget to check out the links down below to start your free 30 days trial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Keep doing what you think is right and keep improving. Have a good day.